The Supreme Court don't put for hand and confirm the judgment of guilty against Aminu Sule Lamido, will be the son of before Jigawa State Governor Sule Lamido, for say he failed to declare a $40,000 money at international airport. Inside the judgment, where all of the judges them for Supreme Court take one mouth to take agree as one on Friday, then dismiss Aminu appeal, say he not get merit, and then confirm waiting both the appeal court and the high court been done first confirm of guilty on top Aminu head. Now, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) now been grab Aminu on December 11, 2012 for Malam Aminu Kano International Airport as they try to travel go Cairo for inside Egypt. According by the lawyer people, then we bring case come. Aminu go declare $10,000, give the Nigeria Customs Service, but they later see him with another $40,000 where he did not declare inside the currency declaration form.